Nothing can break me. I say nothing. If you want to come for Instagram, I go come YouTube. If you go from YouTube, I'll go Twitter. If you go from Twitter, I'll go Snapchat. If you go I will go TikTok. Nothing can break me down. I don't know. Let me tell you guys something. I don't want to say something.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. On the notification bell, like, share, comment, and also share with your friends. Yes, so my beautiful people, I know say since yesterday, this Bobrisky and Jez Brown, their matter, the way it dey be like say the something they want come take the something too high, because the way Bobrisky take this matter too serious. It's just like that country we all know say the masses they no get voice. Bobrisky na person wey he get people, he know a lot of people, he friends and all those kind of things. The way he even threaten to take Jez Brown life not be waiting good. I wish na Western world that kind thing happen. If they threaten that kind of person, they go hold that person responsible. And secondly, why you go they threaten Jez Brown life where you don't give, you go call they threaten that person because you know people, because you get influence for that Niger. My people, all this is just intimidation, and which is not really good. And this Bobrisky na person wey get two face. Today e go dey nice to people, the next day you go see shame to the kind of person wey he be. This matter, Bobrisky dey take this thing very serious, because Bobrisky na he call Jez Brown say Jez Brown just feel say maybe na normal greeting, because two of them they call each other. The next thing is that make Jez Brown take all his content down. Like seriously, my people, the way they treat this boy, just they treat and say maybe the boy na just nobody. You don't fit just call person because you be whatever, or you be star, or no matter the name where you dey bear for the country, you just call the person, make the person take all his content down. And not be say the person they carry Bob, not be say this James they carry Bobrisky content. No, the guy just they do in you, because the way me take see this matter, this guy never even do Bobrisky anything, because now he call Jez Brown to say me, like seriously my people, how you just call person, you say me take down everything about that person page, like say unto waiting, say maybe because you know people for the country, or you can do whatever you want to do. My people, it's not done that way. We are in 2021. All those intimidation is need to stop. This is just getting out of hand. Like seriously, like maybe because he know people, because he know say he go fit arrest am, because Bobrisky even talk and say the guy go even go jail if the guy no remove all the content. And if you go through Jez Brown page, you know say there's nothing like Bobrisky content there, because the guy say it loud and clear that he not be cross dresser. In a person way, in a comedy, in they do it, because we all know say comedian that they do funny things. Many people when they were there on stage, even this Jez Brown, even talk and say in they do in team to entertain in your own follower. And Bobrisky just call him to say I may take down all his content. My people, like seriously, like say waiting, because now you create that person on this life, you just call person say oh yeah, take all those things down without no any other thing. And this guy came out and explained that in the boy, if you be person wey dey follow this guy Jez Brown, you will know say this guy they do funny things for your page, and this guy never even carry Bobrisky content. I wish this guy carry Bobrisky content. Yes, Bobrisky get right to call him, say bring my content down, bring anything about me where you carry for my page, bring it. Yes, bring it down. That one 100%. He will say Bobrisky get right because na him own thing, na him create him own thing, no be wetin he no create. And this guy na person wey he na commander. This guy no be cross dresser, because the way Bobrisky dey take this thing is like the boy wan come overcome Bobrisky. I dey see jealousy about Bobrisky concerning this matter, because this guy even talk and say Bobrisky dey already dey praise him, say you are doing well. I can say that you want to, it's like you want to overcome me, and people are following your page. As this guy come and James Brown come say, see how Bobrisky take call him to remove everything about him page. In the other hand, they expect say Bobrisky go still come and come still talk in own part of the story. Say this boy dey lie or he not call him to tell am say make he bring all him things down. Not even long ago, my people, now this guy page James Brown, him ID page just delete, my people, because Bobrisky fed dey tell James Brown say if you no remove all those things, he go bring down in Instagram down. E just like today Ednut own, wey today Ednut wey e just come, not even the next day na so they just still bring that guy ID page down. Na so they just still bring the today Ednut page down. I don't know why some people are just so wicked to that extent to bring another person page. This guy James Brown, the page wey they bring down, na there for they do advert to people, na there for they do comedy, na there for they say your own things, and na there na the monetization still there wey they just bring down. Like Bobrisky, if he threaten James Brown say if you no bring all those things down, he go make sure say him page they bring am down. And the James Brown still dey beg Bobrisky say aunty me, all those kind of thing. And Bobrisky na person wey this year wey come and say he want teach girls how to fish, and if their guy no dey support them, no dey give them money as they want, and he want he go tell them what to do the next. And James Brown no dey do all those kind thing. James Brown no dey do all those things how to say if your boyfriend no give you money, may you leave am. Na different content, two of them they do entirely. I don't know why Bobrisky just try to pick on this James Brown. Guys, I will show now the screenshot and everything, the message wey Bobrisky write, and even this James Brown self. I remember some months ago where the guy just come out, they talk about him HIV, and they try to tell other people, say people wey get make them not feel sad and all those kind of thing. And then Bobrisky they use that thing against and say na prison, na there you go treat him HIV. Just imagine. Oh my God, this is too far now. It's too far, my people. Well, it be like say Bobrisky don arrest this guy James Brown, but I don't really know the comment and everything. I go leave the screenshot of everything, make una see wetin I dey talk about. Well guys, let me leave you guys for here. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
It's your boy James Brown. Let me tell you guys something. I am unbreakable. Nothing can break me. I say nothing. If you go here for Instagram, I go come YouTube. If you go from YouTube, I'll go Twitter. If you go from Twitter, I'll go Snapchat. If you go, I will go TikTok. Nothing can break me down. I don't know. Let me tell you guys something. I don't want to say something. I just need to say. I need to clear this really quick. I used to like Bobrisky. I used to really bomb for him because. Hey, darling, it's your boy James Brown. Can you believe what happened this afternoon? Bobrisky reached out to me. I thought he wanted to greet me, hurt me. Bobrisky threatened me that I should leave whatever I'm doing, whatever content on my page, that I should leave it, that I'm copying his content. Please, I want to ask you guys, am I copying Bobrisky content? He even threatened to kill me. Oh no, my baby, oh my dick, I'm serious. I was shocked because I actually love Bobrisky. So is it bad for? And he was like, 100K tí mo fún ẹ, mo máa gbà, mo help ẹ gbà yẹn. Please, Bobrisky, I will never fight with you. I repeat, I will never fight with you because I see you as an elder. But all I want to me to pay one, can like come make ma go on my buga. What? There's some elder that don't want your whole go to go. If it's not the case you want, Bobrisky, I am ready to give it to you. Kò wá kò mí pé tí mo ké mo jẹ mo lu ma kí mo lu kabusa kò possible. Na mi to come ó come tán ni. Ṣọlá Ajé orin ni pokoro. Because I don't understand. Bobrisky, you know I respect you so much. You from the video you're like nobody reach out to me, blah blah blah. To be sincere, a lot of people reach out to me. You were the only one that posted on Instagram. You were the only one. During that time, I got close to 500,000 naira. Bank Mimuleri. Lot of them, they say behind the scene. They just send me their account, say your account number. I like your boldness. People send me money, but you reach out to me and you dash me money, which is good. But if you feel like that, why you didn't come to beg for the money? So you can't use it to insult me. I never enter your DM to beg for the money. You give me money out of your willingness. You get so please, your content and my content are not the same thing, and I'm not scared of any fucking damn thing because I was born brick. I was born to star. I was born to rise. And if you feel like this is a threat, trust me, I will never fight. Most people are getting it all wrong. I am not a cross-dresser. Read my lip. I will never drag with Bobrisky. You are interested. I'm a comedian, pure comedian. I have it and I'm using it back to back. I don't come on social media and do those things he does. She does. I cannot come and do it. I'm just doing it for fun. More shit take me. You can come in, ask people that hang out with me. If you're taking me out for like hang out, I was like a guy, normal guy. Can't you see what I'm looking like? Need strength to go. It's just for fun. So you should not feel. Don't be threatening, please, baby girl. Do not be threatening, because you are being threatening means there's something behind it. Like there's something way behind it. And please, come out and say everything in your mind. Because trust me, I'm too young for you to be fighting with. Don't you think so? I don't understand. Like I'm just saying though.